Do you demand of them that they know the jazz history from the beginning and up until today?
Jazz is only a white man's word he gave to music that he couldn't play, so we don't use that word.
Mm-hmm.
They don't have to learn that, no. Real prejudiced white people, they do that. We don't. We study. Mm-hmm. We go to school now. Mm. They have to know something about synthesizers and forms of music, so it won't be strange when they hear different forms. But as far as the history of jazz, that's like Abraham Lincoln's laws, which are nothing. Mm-hmm. You make new laws. You learn new music. You don't go back. Anybody can copy.
But if you get one of the youngsters who's a tremendous player on a synthesizer but knows nothing about Louis Armstrong, Charlie Parker, Dizzy Gillespie, your early music?
No.
Doesn't matter?
They have to take what they hear now. The lazy ones play like we used to play. Because they don't have anything, up here. There's too many records for them to be original. You have to be very selfish to be original. You can't listen to everybody's record, because they don't know anything but what they heard on the record.